Yo, look, is that Royal Mount?
Yeah, probably there.
We just passed Royal Mount's on the other side. I see it.
Yeah,
Oh,
man.
nice. Look where we are. We're like...
Why is there an abandoned? We're almost gonna be at Huntstig and then next Solvay. Hey, yo, there's an abandoned place, huh?
Yeah.
Is that Royal Mount? I just saw it.
Where?
It was right there.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, that was such a good ride for the end of the year. Schon Jahre. It's a Huntstig. A Huntstig. I mean, it's a Huntstig.
I'm gonna go home after this.
Yeah, me too.
I'm tired as fuck. Had a long day. Tomorrow we can hang out if you want. With
Yeah, how
Julian.
about to your pool?
Let's hang out tomorrow with Julian. You go to Julian's house if you want.
Sure, bro.
Sure,
bro.
How about your house? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see tomorrow.
What the hell? Bro, they're making more STM buses. Hey, yo, they're building the REM. I saw the REM. They're almost done. Metro. Shit. Hey, we arrived to a Huntsig.
Ja, Huntstig.
A Huntsig.
Well, where the fuck are we? Oh, is this the 15?
Yeah.
This is a Huntsig.
It's a Huntsig, buddy.
Yes. You're the 15.
I remember this place back in June 2024.
Yo,
I remember eating Allemand Coco.
Yo, Tristan, remember Maya from Centennial?
Don't mention that. Don't mention any names.
Okay, no, sorry, but like, you know what she's been doing? She's been stealing all of our followers.
I know.
It's what is she doing?
I don't know. It's just I spy. Let me tell you. I spy.
Why is she doing that?
She just wants more followers, like it said.
Bro, why is she stealing our followers? They
I
don't
don't know that. They just, you know, like when we follow random people.
Yeah, I know.
That's what she does.
Why
Yo, don't
not?
mention people.
Okay, sorry.
Alright.
Okay.
Yo, I remember that place. Remember when Eduardo wanted to go there?
When?
To
Where?
college at Hansik.
Oh yeah, that's where.
Hey, remember when I used to eat there in Allemand Coco? Remember?
I don't
Back in
remember.
September, back in August, when you said that sec one was ass. Remember?
Yeah.
Back in August, I used to eat Allemand Coco with my mom. Since beginning of grade 10.
Oh man.
Hold on.